We are in the heart of Old Town Key West, and I am so excited to show you this home. It is incredible. Let's step inside. This home was built in the late 1800s, and it's a Conch style build, which reflects the original Key West architectural heritage. This location is iconic because most of the homes in this neighborhood were built back in the 1800s, and they knew what they were doing back then because this is one of the highest points of Key West. So we are technically located in what we call the X-flood zone, which makes insurances really more affordable in Key West. The home was renovated in 2022, but it still maintains its historic Key West charm. Let's check it out. As you enter this home, we have an entrance up to the second level, and the first floor has the kitchen, open living area. Everything has been updated. You can see the hardwood Brazilian pecan floors, Miami Dade Pine ceilings that have all been kept and restored. The beams have been wrapped in Miami Dade Pine. The windows have been updated. They're all impact resistant, which makes it so quiet in here. You cannot hear the traffic being in this central location. The kitchen has custom concrete poured countertops, GE Chef Café appliances. I love this finish. It's a matte, very silky finish. I love this separate bar area. Pour yourself a cocktail, sit on the porch, watch all the walkers go by, or go and hop in the pool in the back and enjoy an afternoon cocktail. They have a really cute dog area here, which goes under the stairs, but you could also turn it into really nice storage. This living room is so spacious, and what I really have taken note of in this home are the tall ceilings. These ceilings are 11 feet on this level and 10 feet on the second level. As we lead through the kitchen, we go down the hallway. We have a pantry here, AC closet. There's 2 bedrooms. The one is currently being used as an office. And then we have a shared bathroom. And I love the tile. And if you look up to the ceiling, they have the historic tin ceiling, which is beautiful. This second bedroom downstairs is set up as a girls' bedroom, but when you look at it, it is like a little doll's house. The ceilings are just so cute. It just resembles a little house. I love it. As we come outside, wow, we are greeted by this beautiful backyard oasis. Gorgeous decking. The pool is a cocktail pool. It's just been put in. It's a 2024 pool. It has a waterfall. It's got a wonderful tanning ledge. It's deep. It's about 4.5 feet deep, which is great that you can actually stand in it. This backyard is the perfect area for your kids to play, your pets to run around, and being so central in Key West, this is the ideal location and setup for this type of property. What I love about this property is that it's fully fenced and gated. We have an electric gate. This parking area, you could fit up to 3 cars. A golf cart, it's ideal for this location. Very seldom do you have properties that have this amount of parking. The front porch is typical Conch style build. It is perfect for sitting in the afternoon. The parade goes past this house, the locals parade during Fantasy Fest, and during Halloween, the sellers decorate this house for a Halloween competition, and they win every year. This home is actually zoned as a duplex. It is currently one family home, but you could easily make it back into a duplex. These are the stairs that would lead up to the apartment, which would be a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And when we're inside, I'll show you how that would be configured. Coming up those side stairs, this would be the entrance into the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It has living area, bathroom, kitchen, and then this is the bedroom with its closet. And as you can see, this is where the wall was removed or could be put back to make it a one-bedroom apartment through that. Let me show you the primary suite. It's really spacious. There is a beautifully renovated bathroom with double vanity sink, shower. As you come through, you can see how spacious this primary bedroom is. As you can hear, it's so quiet in here. You can't hear anything from outside because of the impact windows and doors and the insulation, the spray foam insulation in this whole home. But if you want to be immersed in the vibrancy of Key West, just open this door and come out onto this gorgeous porch and enjoy everything that Key West is all about. The proximity to iconic island sites such as Sunset Pier, the seaport, beaches, Duval Street, boutiques, makes this the ideal home for somebody that's looking for a full-time residence or a luxury vacation rental. It's actually located in the conditional transient receiver zone. So it is actually in the zone where short-term rentals are allowed, but there's conditions to that. This location is highly sought after, and you can see why. I'm Lisa Swanson. I am the managing partner of the agency Florida Keys, and I would welcome you to reach out to me and I can show you this incredible, historic, charming Key West conch home.